Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Ramon Allones Superiores. This is a La Casa del Habano edition, as you can see here from the additional band, and these come in boxes of 10. Let's flip this, and you can see this from October 2023. I picked this box up from Switzerland, from Davidoff, and as you can see over here, the price I paid is 161 francs, which is 145 pounds at the time of filming this video, which is ridiculously cheap considering the fact that in the UK these go for 420 pounds for a box of 10. So I consider myself extremely lucky that I was able to get one of these, and I hope to be purchasing a couple more of these next time I go for my collection, as I think that these cigars are fantastic, and as I've mentioned before, Ramon Allones is my favorite brand, and these just are extremely good smokes, and for the price I paid for these, it's ridiculously cheap. So I definitely need to have a few more of these. Let's open this up and have a look. And there you have them. These cigars are 46 ring gauge by 5 3/4 inch in length, and these are just absolutely fantastic. Let's take one out. Strength, these are medium to full body, but they're just incredible. I have another box of these from June 2023, so these are almost coming up to 2 years now, and I will be first smoking the other box. I've got 7 left, and then I'll proceed to get into this one, but I definitely think that I should be getting more of these, because these, I've never seen these at such a good price, so definitely something that I should be considering and getting. And next time I'm in Switzerland, I will be picking up a few more of these. In terms of aging, I've only had the ones from the other box I had, which is 2 years old, and they're fantastic, but I just like all the other Ramon Allones that I've smoked, once they age or drop more, they are absolutely fabulous. So I will be keeping these to age a little bit longer, and then I will report back and tell you how these have developed, but I'm sure they'll be absolutely beautiful and really enjoyable to smoke. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. There's more exciting content coming in the future, so stay tuned and have a good one. Thank you so much for watching.